Okay, so we have this question here. It says a payday loan company charges a $65 fee for a $550 payday loan that will be repaid in 20 days. Treating the fee as interest, what is the equivalent annual interest rate? So we're going to say this is our interest, the fee we're paying. Our original principal, the amount we borrowed, is $550, and it's going to be repaid in 20 days. So remember, we want T time to always be in terms of years. There's no mention of compounding here, so we're not going to use the compound interest problem or formula. We're just going to use the simple interest formula. I equals P times R times T. So the important thing to remember is since we're looking for an annual interest rate, time should be in years. 20 days in terms of years is going to be 20 365ths of a year. So we'll just plug everything in and solve for the interest rate. So we have 65 equals 550 times my interest rate times 20 over 365. It's going to be a number bigger than 100. It's going to be a very, very, very high percentage. Okay, it's a payday loan. They have high percentages, and you're paying $65 interest for borrowing money for 20 days. So expect a high answer. So the first thing I'll do is figure out what this number on the right-hand side is going to be with the R. So I'll do 550 times 20 divided by 365. So I'm left with 65 on the left equals R times 30.13. We'll just do 137. 30.137. Okay. Now to get R by itself, I'm just going to divide both sides by this thing. Divide by 30.137. So I get 65 divided by that. So you get 2.157. But this is a decimal. They want the percent answer. So to get the percent answer, I'm just going to take that decimal point and go 1, 2. So this should be 215.7 or 216%, because they're asking it around to the nearest percent. So technically this should be 215.7, but the nearest percent, we're going to round it to 216. So that would be your answer.